Yeah, the Necker cube illusion. Didn't actually get it. I don't see it. Don't actually see the illusion there. I don't know, is it only me or there's just something wrong with the code? There's something weird about this cube. Yeah, don't see any major illusions. Getting a new page on this site covering optical illusions. We'll have some text, the Python code, and the result of the Python code as an image. GitHub Copilot is a bit funny today. They did change something in how the chat works. Probably other YouTube creators will be covering that. So just keep using it as is. Yes, we have this Hermann Grid Illusion. I don't know if you can see. I can see it. It's working pretty well. I don't know how is it happening. And that's what we gonna try and investigate. But you get this dark spots here in the intersections there, and obviously they're not actually there yet. It's a problem with making optical illusions in web applications that someone might think it's like it's an actual being altered and stuff. Actually wanna create something for you to be able to change the parameters of this particular effect, so you can play around with it and actually see when the illusion stops happening in your brain. So obviously this is neuroscience related, of course. So yeah, have all the code in there. Yeah, so ideally later on we'll just have these parameters as variables in the tool. So eventually we'll be turning it into a Flask application. Yeah, another good optical illusion is that Ponzo. And again, we have an application that allows you to move the line and see the effect yourself. Let's add that one to the mix. That's what it looks like. We'll have another application where it will be a Flask where you could actually change these parameters. Currently we have rotating snakes. Yes, that's what it looks like. We got the code. Yeah, the Necker cube illusion. Didn't actually get it. I don't see it. Don't actually see the illusion there. I don't know, is it only me or there's just something wrong with the code? There's something weird about this cube. Yeah, don't see any major illusions. Hey, can you explain why I do not see the illusion when rotating the cube? It's just weird. There's something definitely up with it.
The Necker cube illusion is an ambiguous figure that can be interpreted in two different ways. The illusion typically works best in a 2D representation because the brain can switch between the two interpretations. When the cube is rotated in a 3D space, the additional depth cues provided by the rotation often resolve the ambiguity, making it less likely for the brain to switch between the two interpretations. To create an effective Necker cube illusion, it is important to maintain a 2D representation that allows for both interpretations. Here are a few reasons why the illusion may not be working as expected in your 3D rotating plot. In a static 2D image, the lack of depth cues allows the brain to switch between two different 3D interpretations. In a 3D plot, the rotation provides clear depth cues, which resolve the ambiguity. The transparency, alpha equals 0.25, and the face colors in your current plot might be providing additional depth cues. In a traditional Necker cube, the lines are usually black, and there are no face colors or transparency to avoid giving away depth information. The perspective view of the cube might make one interpretation more dominant. Keeping the cube in an isometric view can help maintain ambiguity.
Yeah, I think now I see it. Yeah, I remember seeing this one before. Yeah, what did I just ask? It's not following instructions today. Yeah, so we have the page. You can check it out yourself as well. By the way, this thing's meant to be interactive. So let me know if you have any questions, comments, complaints, all welcome. Again, all the Python code is within the HTML page. You see the image of the result and there is a text description. The link should be now available on the front page. So hope you check it out. Let me know what you think. Yep, this is better. Okay, let's deploy quickly. We want to test in production as well, and on the phone. Yes, we have the Python code in it, the image results of the Python code and text explanation. It's pretty good. Take a short break and then continue with EEG that's currently not running properly.